After launching Galaxy A06 4G back in August last year, the company has now launched the 5G version of it in India. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy A06 5G features a tall 6.7-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a U-shaped notch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie shooter, with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone houses a dual camera setup at the top left corner, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor, with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Galaxy A06 5G comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of RAM, and 64 or 128 GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 1.5 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 15 out of the box, with One UI 7.0 skin on top, and the company promises to provide up to 4 years of OS and security updates. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 25 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 167.3 by 77.3 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 191 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy A06 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 10,499 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 11,499 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 12,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in light green, black, and light gray color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy A06 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.